Hello guys, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. Today I'm proud to bring to you a 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX. We have a great boat here, a lot to tell you about. We'll try to do so in a short video and would love to speak with you in the future about this boat. It's a 2019 listed at $209. We have twin Mercury 350s on the back with about 165 hours. This boat just underwent a full detail, inside and out. You can see very clean hull side, up and down both port and starboard side. This boat has always been lift kept, so no bottom paint, and it was a single owner boat. We do have the power tower, which is a unique feature we'll show you later on in this video. Overall, the boat's very well appointed. Again, twin Mercury 350s, joystick, sea deck on the swim platform, underwater lights, trim tabs, and we'll show you the starboard hull side here really quick. With the battery charging system. We'll hop on board and take a look. As we stand here on the back of the Sea Ray 310 SLX, this boat does have engine covers, full sea deck here on the swim platform. You're also greeted with a really spacious aft sun lounger. We do have the backrests that fold up as well, which is really nice. As we walk into the boat, we have our battery switches on the starboard side along with our freshwater washdown. This boat was optioned out with the teak step. And then as you come into the boat, this is where all the great times occur. So we have a very spacious cockpit, wraparound seating. This boat does have the table that would drop right in here to the stainless steel insert. Table has dedicated storage underneath the aft lounger. You can see all the upholstery. We have the ivory cushion package, diamond stitching, everything's in really nice shape, along with the vinyl weatherproof carpeting as well. This boat is unique in the fact that it does have a power tower. So tap of a button here along the side. This tower will actually go down at one level rate, which is great for getting under bridges. If you get caught in a rainstorm, storage, plenty of benefits with this power tower. Very unique for a 31-footer. We have a full cover package, as you can see here behind the helm seat. As we move forward to the helm, we have the dual Simrad screens for all of our chart plotting, engine data. We have 163 hours on the engines. Lots of service life remaining. We've only put about 15 hours on it since the last service. All the great technology you guys are used to in the the Mercury digital throttle and shift, the Mercury joystick with autopilot, skyhook, and more. Along the port side, we have a vacuum flush head, sink, and a nice spacious area down below. Two comfortable seats facing forward. This seat here is on a swivel, so you can spin it around back to face your guests that may be behind you in the cockpit. As we walk forward, real classy look, stainless steel windshield. Up in the bow, very spacious, wraparound seating. We do have armrests. Nice, comfortable cup holders molded into the fiberglass, speakers, windlass anchor up front. This is a very well appointed Sea Ray 310 SLX. My name is Brian McGlenn. Thank you for watching. Feel free to give me a call directly on my cell. We'd be happy to answer any questions or set up a showing. 561-635-6811. Thank you very much.